Yeah, what's up, guys? My guitar is back with another episode. I want to show you some chord progression on the song I played previously. Um, you are the reason I leave. Okay. The song progression is very simple. So if you know that you're the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I drop a new video, okay? If you have any comment, any challenges, you can drop it on the comment section. I will really appreciate that. If you like the video, smash the like video, smash the like button and share, okay? So that others can learn. Alright guys, I played in the key of B, and this is the key of B. On the third string here, okay? We have it here on the first string. We have it here on the second string. Okay. Do, we also have it here, okay? Okay. Okay, that is the key of B. Mostly I likely play a sus chord, okay? And that's the B sus too. So if you don't know the sus chord, I made a video on how to play a sus chord in my previous video. So you can watch it, and if you don't know, you can drop a message on the comment section, okay? I'll direct you to the video how you can know your sus chord. Okay, so the song is very simple. At first, the first progression there is the first chord progression there is you are crazy. So I played a song, and that is the F sharp major, okay? F sharp bar chord. You are the one for me, and that is the E major, E major. Okay, that is the E major chord. That is the Va. Come back to the F major, to the one chord. So literally the chord progression is do, so, fa, so. Okay, that is your 1, your 5, your 4, and your 5 again to your 1. Okay, that's the chord progression. So there's a play there. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. Okay, so the chorus part there where why should I feel when I have you surrounded by your love, everlasting love. Why should I feel what people say? And I know what you mean to me. They don't know what you mean to me. Okay, now for that part, the chord progression is why should you go to your 4 chord, which is your E major. Okay, why should I feel? Go to your 5, what be F sharp major, which is your saw. People say now you play your G sharp minor, okay, that is your la, that's your G sharp minor, and that is your la. They don't know. You go back to your 4 chord. What you mean to me? Now I play a major 7 there. That is kind of a Mi chord. You're taking from the Mi to the Va now. Okay, I'm playing kind of this is a B minor 7, okay? Sorry, that is a B major 7. This is a kind of B major 7. That's a Mi chord, okay? They don't know. Then come back to your 5 chord, to your 1 chord. Okay, so I play again. Why should I feel 4 chord, 1 P, 5 chord, P, 6 chord. Then you play your major 7, where is your Mi? They don't know what you mean to me. You play your major 7. No, no. What you mean to me. Okay. So guys, that is the basic chord for that song, okay? I'm gonna do some breakdown of the licks I played in the song, okay, for you guys to use it in also to improvise when you're soloing over worship songs like that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.